got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh, baby.
What's up, y'all, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 19. This morning is going to be one of those lazy day routines where I'm taking you all into my life on a lazy day. So I don't feel the best. I'm sure you guys can hear it in my voice. But I at least got up this morning, brushed my teeth. Now I'm just going to drink on this hot French vanilla cappuccino and get ready to just lay around and chill, Netflix it up, and probably do a couple other things. But right now, like I said, it's really a lazy day routine. Okay, y'all, so I kind of did my hair real quickly. I'm gonna do like a small YouTuber shout out. Just be sure to go and check out these channels. I will have their links listed in my description box down below. So some of these channels I'm gonna be shouting out are small YouTubers that are under 1,000 or under 1K, I should say. The reason for this is that we all should grow together instead of just growing to grow. And especially if you're not really watching someone else's channel, it does make it unbeneficial to continue to support your channel. So some of the channels that I have written down are going to be Coley Cleans. Coley Cleans has a great cleaning channel. Be sure to go check that out. Okay, be sure to go check out Sherry's Corner. Sherry's Corner is a really great channel, and Being Kimberly Arlinda, Precious Place. Go check out Just Charisse, as well as Land of Enchantment Living, Christy Danielle, True Leo 38, Cooking Family Way, Cooking with Net TV, and Living with Lexi. So be sure to go and check out those small YouTube channels. They are under 1K. Let them know that I sent you. Be sure to just let them know that you're there for support, and they will definitely show the support back. We're all in this YouTube thing where we all show support to one another, and we're trying to build up each other's platforms. And yeah, let's do it. I know we can do it. Okay, so I know I said it'd be a lazy day and I don't feel like doing nothing, but I do need breakfast. So I am going to make these Captain Crunch Berry-tastic pancakes. So I need to grab my measuring cup for 2 cups, and then I need my 1/3, wherever that is, because I bought these off of Amazon and the labels are coming off, as you can see there. Found it. All right, so for this you do 2 cups of this mix, and then you do 1 1/3 cup of water. Let's just go ahead and, yes, I'm starving. All right, so there's our mix. I'm not sure what these little bite things is. Anyways, let's add that water. Water added, check. This looks just like the cereal. After this, I'm really going on my couch and Netflix and chill. So I thought it'd be a great time to go ahead and get some editing done, as Vlogmas is not over. I still have time for Vlogmas. I just need to go ahead and get some things edited. So I am going to be editing an adult beverage, but I'm not doing a collab. I'm just going to do some TikTok drinks to show you all, so stay tuned for that. Y'all, let me just say it's been a very rough day. I feel like I want to lay down and take a nap and hopefully wake up feeling just somewhat better. And I felt like I tried to. So I got up. I laid down and took a nap because I could feel it just all in here. I'm gonna try to just get a nice hot wash dry, put it on my face. My neck. Y'all can hear it. Yeah, it's like. I'm gonna go ahead and start to get dinner ready for me and Chuck. So I'm gonna cook us some steaks, and I am going to show you guys the seasonings that I am using on our steaks. But first I'm gonna put the olive oil on there and then the seasonings. Alright, so I'm just gonna use the garlic herb and black pepper and sea salt along with this Chicago steak seasoning and some just a little bit of the Tony's Chachere's and some seasoned salt on our steaks for dinner tonight. I think if I drink some of this spiced apple cider, maybe it will like help me. Gosh. Hot apple cider. Yeah, that's nice and hot. So I am going to finish drinking this. Do have some laundry to fold that I'm eventually going to go back here and fold. But I really laid down and took a nap just because I could feel it all in here. I keep blowing my nose. And I've already tested myself. I'm negative for COVID, but just gonna have to deal with this nasty little cold. And it's crazy because the holidays are like right here, but it should be over by then. Apparently we're supposed to get wintry mix and snow Thursday, Friday this week. So my surprise for the kids it's gonna come earlier than I thought. So yeah, stay tuned for me talking about the secret that we have for the kids. You never know what kind of secret it is. But till then, stay tuned. I'm gonna go fold my clothes. Try to get some type of a productive evening out of this vlog. even though I am sick. So I went ahead and made the kids some dinner. This is just the Angel noodles, and then here is a Netflix recommendation since I am sick and have had nothing better to do all day than Netflix and chill. It's called Lies and Deceit. Part of it being a lazy day, I've let the dishes just sit over here, and now I have to get ready to tackle those now that everybody's done with dinner. And then I still have all of these clothes to fold up, so I'm gonna try to get up and do something productive really quickly so that I'm able to just chill, lay back. Yeah, this is taking over me to the point where I don't want to do anything. My nose is hurting. Yeah, like, hopefully tomorrow's better. So here's all the dishes I have to do. So I'm gonna get ready to bust those down. I was able to bust the dishes down with no issues. These will be dry by the time I'm done editing to put away. I also have some of these over here. And then this is Charles's dinner. I'll go ahead and put that in the microwave. These pancakes from breakfast can be put up and used for tomorrow. Other than that, all the dishes are done. I'm just waiting on them to dry for me to put them away. So now that I got the dishes done, let me just show you guys what I'm really working with back here in this room that's coming next to try and get myself motivated to get something done. Y'all, all of this. I was not in the mood yesterday, had no energy whatsoever. I'm gonna bust it down real quick, and then I'm gonna get some editing done. Yeah. Okay, so I beat my timer. I put it on a timer for 30 minutes. That way I'm able to bust these down by folding them. I can put them away. I need to blow my nose. I can put them away in a little bit, but at least like I folded them within 30 minutes. And now I'm gonna get ready to go and edit for 30 minutes, and then 30 minutes after that I'm gonna come back and put all of this away. So let's get ready to go. Okay, so I have finished folding them. I just need, like I said, to go edit really quickly so that it can save while I'm back here putting this stuff away. So let's go do that. Socks, of course, is like a last minute thing because I have to find the matching pairs.